Yo, what's up guys? Here at the SHOWTIME METAL WORKS booth. They have this awesome F-450 that they built, put in here. These guys offer some of the badass bumpers that you see on a lot of the lifted trucks. You'll have all the light bars. I mean, you can pretty much set up whatever you would like. And all this custom stuff up under here. Very awesome. This truck is so nice. The stance is just crazy with it having the spacers on the front like that, almost as wide as the rear tires. So if you're looking for some awesome bumpers and more,